balletje, balletje. Yes. It's the last few days and then she's swimming here and then we go away on Monday and yeah, she liked it here, so one more swim here. So, Nanje. Yeah. Hee hee. The big beach is crowded with beds, so there's a blue flag, so you can't go anymore. So
look at that. I think the aliens are coming. Look. 3 UFOs and the big one. This must be the mothership. There. Very nice. Well, it's our last evening here.
yeah.
Because tomorrow morning, we go out and sailing again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Today we did some jobs, the last jobs. I went up into the mast, put the wind index speedometer on the mast, and it's working.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
You did
Yeah.
a lot of work.
Yeah.
New flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we put new little flags in the mast.
Courtesy flag over there. There.
Yeah, it's small.
Because we had the last days we had a little bit of wind.
Yeah.
So let them stay new.
Yeah. And we let the dinghy out, we blow it up, the paddle boards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fill up the tank.
Yeah, water tanks.
Fill up the gasoline.
Yeah, the diesel.
Yeah. So,
I think everything is ready.
yeah. Boat is shiny.
Yeah.
We have new windows.
The other ones were not so good, but this one, look how clear. Very nice. So he came back.
Yeah.
He came back and he said we are not happy. He said no problem. I will take them out and put some new in.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And more tight. No waves in it.
Nope.
Very nice.
Yeah. So, and
Yeah.
we did talk about Nanje.
Yeah.
Oh, that she was so, and we did go to the veterinarian, and she was a few months ago, 2 months ago, not well with walking, and so we did a big checkup with the how do you call it? With photos
Yeah.
and
Different kind with the gel, you know, when you're pregnant. And
yeah, that's kind of stuff.
yeah.
And yeah, she has a lot of arthrose, and we did know that already.
Yeah.
But when he was examining her, she has many lumps, fat lumps, but she has one big one inside of her, and on her liver, and that's a little bit of a problem. But yeah, she's 12, so they say, what do you want? Want to check it for cancer or not? So we said, no, leave it that way.
Yeah.
And now she has medicine for the liver. Yeah, it's a question of time.
Yeah, because the liver was a very different shape than normal. So he said the liver looks very strange.
Yeah.
So that's not good, he said.
No.
No.
So
I asked him, few months or a year, can be, he said.
Yeah.
So we will see.
yeah, she has medicine now also for the arthrose. It's one shot for 1 month. And that helps because when she get it the first time, she's a whole different dog. no, she's the same dog. She can run again and she
Yeah.
has no pain, so that is great.
It's
And-
for 1 month. 1 injection for 1 month.
Yeah, that's
Very
great.
nice.
Yeah. So yeah, we will see how she's doing, and when she goes bad, yeah, we put her to sleep because no pain and
Yeah, if the pain medication and doesn't work anymore, yeah, then it's the end of the dog.
yeah. So maybe
No pain.
no pain.
No.
We will see how long she is happy with
Yeah.
us. So it's okay. She's 12 years old and yeah, she had a good time with us. So,
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. And
another thing.
yeah.
What are we going to do?
Yeah.
I make a little video and I will explain a little bit, because you never can say with certainty how we sail
Nope.
and what time, especially the time.
Yeah.
But we want to go to the north, to Thessaloniki, and then downwards, southwards. But I will explain you while the video is running. So I'm gonna sit inside and let me tell you about our route we are going to take. I have help from the television. You can zoom in, Alice.
Yeah.
Of course we start here in Crete.
Yeah.
Here we start there. So let me tell you about it. Okay, of course we start in Crete here by Achios and we go to the other side of Kassos, and there's a small island. You can see the subtitles, it goes very fast. Rhodos, and go northwards to Kos, and then lots of tiny islands, and an island where you can get very old. I forgot Samos, we go there, Chios and Lesbos, and then way up to Limnos, and the right one is a Turkish island, so we pass that, Samothrace and Tassos, and some of the mainland of Greece. Should be nice over there. And then around Athos, because we can't go there, it's forbidden for ladies because there are monks there. So and around and then up to Thessaloniki, and then go back southwards to the Sporades, and a big island of the Sporades, the last one. Then Evia and Kea, and then back, I don't know for sure, but there are some islands here in the Salonics, and then up to the old capital city, the old one, along the coast, and then a very beautiful beach there over there, and then up to Kalamata for our next winter.
So that was the planning for this year, and but you never know, because we also have plan B, C, D, maybe E. You never know what happens. And yeah, our last night and one night sleep here, and then
Off we go.
off we go. Yeah, we had a great time here.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah.
I gonna miss it here. So, but it's okay. It's enough.
We start tomorrow at
About 10, but
10, 11.
11. We
Yeah.
will see. And
First to Sitsia, a little bit further than Sitsia. It's about 5.5 hours.
yeah,
And I hope everything's going okay with the boat.
yeah,
You hear the dog.
yeah, coming in. She follows us everywhere. So yeah, we will see it tomorrow.
Yeah, anchoring. Tomorrow is not so nice weather,
No.
I hear.
No, lots of clouds. But
Yeah,
It's okay, yeah. What can we do about it? Nothing. So
Yeah.
yeah, we will see.
Clouds and no wind.
Yeah, maybe a little bit rain.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
I hope no yellow rain.
No.
We had it a few times, so no yellow rain anymore, please.
Okay.
Okay.
But when you're leaving, it's nice, and no wind. Yes. Can you imagine? For me, a few weeks, nobody is here.
Okay.
He's coming, I think, in the summertime. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. See you again. Yeah, back on the road again.
You sail over a plastic bag. Whoa. Lucky. So, again.
Yeah, we are on the road again.
Yeah. So, that's strange. It's funny. It's what we want, but
It's also strange again.
yeah. It's a whole other life. No showers, on the boat, but everything is different.
It's like a little bit like camping.
Yeah. Yeah. Be careful with the water and the electra. And
Yeah.
so, but
Wat gaat er binnen?
Bye bye, little beach.
Bye bye, coffee drinking shop.
Yeah. Bye bye, pizza. Bye bye, gyros.